Hello everybody, I'm Matteo Brichese, I work for ICS. This is our booth, this is what we do. We help companies develop solutions for their problems.
Are you running this one?
Products. Yes, I was in this project. This is a Yocto-based solution on Polaris Indian hardware, Indian and Polaris, both of them.
And how does it connect? What is it doing with the bike?
It's doing your gauge cluster, your map, your navigation, your Bluetooth communication with your headset.
Is it waterproof?
Yes, absolutely.
And
it's
you can
waterproof.
still touch the screen and it
you
works?
can still touch the screen. Yes, absolutely. It has to be. You can ride it in the rain, in the snow.
How good is navigation on this screen?
The navigation, we picked a provider. Now it's in null. We don't have reception in here, so it places me off the coast of Africa.
All right.
So you have turn-by-turn navigation.
Nice.
Indian wanted turn-by-turn navigation completely offline, so we found together with them a provider, and we implement their solution in our bikes.
Can you get warnings when there's like speed limits?
Absolutely, absolutely. This one in particular does. We have more real estate. So this one does warning, speed limits, turn by turn. It can search online or offline depending on your preferences.
So where are your customers based? Is it just North America, around the world?
No, everywhere in the world. We have been just reached by some Chinese EV manufacturer for some of our expertise.
Cool projects must be, right?
Yes, the motorcycle. I'm a gearhead. So the motorcycle.
It's a cool motorcycle.
It's the coolest motorcycle in North America.
Because of your company, or just because it's a cool motorcycle?
It was cool before us, and now it's cooler.
Okay. What is this?
This is a lung transport machine for if you need to transport lungs for transplants. This company tasked us to help them. Lungs have a very short shelf life. Once you remove them from a donor,
and it's gonna stay
it goes inside.
alive.
This is how it's gonna look. This is how it looks right now.
So it's just a prototype for now?
This is an engineering. No. This, I believe they are selling it, or they are in the process of selling it. But this is our engineering sample that we work on. Of course, we don't get.
So it needs to manage the temperature, everything.
Yes, I mean this. We are not technical in medical. They tell us what it needs to do. It's their expertise, but we know all of the hardware and how, if they tell us, oh, it needs to keep this amount of pressure and PSI and temperature, we can get them there. But we always work with them. We're not. They know more medical than us.
Where's your company based?
We are in Waltham, Massachusetts, near Boston, but we are all remote. We have a big office in Waltham, Massachusetts, but I'm in California, near Napa, Sacramento, Napa area. We have an office in Sunnyvale. We have offices in Canada. We have offices in Europe. Some of my coworkers are in Poland and France and Germany, Italy.
What do we see here?
Oh, this is a demo we did a few years ago for automotive grade Linux, AGL. We love those guys. Hopefully they love us too. And this is made in Flutter. This is made in Qt QML.
And
same, identical, everything. And then we had, last year, we don't have it this year showing, but we installed a Carla simulator. The Carla is an actual realistic driving simulator. And we were generating data, real data, and streaming it on our demo just to show that it actually works.
And it just has to be so reliable, so real time, so secure. It's important, all this, right?
That is a problem. That it needs to do what you just said, but there are some nuances. For example, the square display here, because this is a gauge cluster, but this is not the only gauge cluster in the motorcycle. Then this doesn't have to be as compliant with certain laws because they have a secondary, they have a main one, right? This one has to be, being the only gauge cluster on the bike, this has to be fast and compliant and show you the warnings and alerts as they come. We have a certain number of milliseconds of gap.
Is it one of the coolest things about working in the embedded industry to work on cool projects with cool customers?
It is the cool project, and it's the fact that you can, for me, you can touch what you build, and after you build it, most often you'll find it on the field. Like you can go to a Best Buy and buy something and be proud that you made that, right?
You do that? You see it?
Yeah.
And around here, there's a bunch more stuff at your booth.
Yes.
Do you want to show this way?
We're an engineering, as you see, we're an engineering company, so we're a little messy.
That's cool.
But yeah.
Yeah, I just find the cool stuff to film.
Yes, this we just talked with ASUS, and because we have some lidar technology, and we are working with some lidar technology, and now we are talking with ASUS to make a nice to collaborate more strictly. I have a board from Seiko. It's a company that you should go check out. Yep, it's an Italian company on that side, and we made some demo, and now we're going to collaborate more. We love VariSight and Toradex.
What do you like about Toradex?
They know their stuff. Toradex, they are on point on everything.
A great partner to work with.
VariSight is, they are two of the top builders. So whatever our customer chooses, it's
nice. And if you just walk around here, for example, I see here's this Flutter.
Yes.
And is it cool to use Flutter in the embedded industry?
It's very cool. Flutter, the Flutter is cool because you can deploy. It's like Qt. It's a competitor of Qt. It became a competitor of Qt. I don't think this is. Yeah. Oh, it's working.
Yeah. So it's just a cool way to do UIs. Mm-hmm. And all these guys that are Flutter developers can develop for embedded UIs.
Yes. There are shades of grays, right? It's not always this easy, but yes. You need an embedder, what we call embedder, to run Flutter application on embedded platforms. But we have one, Toyota has one. And
you could put it on a motorbike, potentially.
Yes, absolutely, we can. That customer choose to use Qt, so we're using Qt with them.
And if you go this way there, so at the rest of the booth, there's a nice big screen tracking all your customers.
You see, I'm here.
And potential customers and putting in the database. I'm joking, but
this is lidar. You see the lidar there? We got 2 lidars from Auster, and that is the live data. And we are doing recognition of people. We can. Unfortunately, we are all adults here, so it just identifies us as adults.
And there you see them also on the
laptops
on the screen.
This is what we're talking with ASUS about, because we were supposed to put this demo on their board that is much more powerful than a laptop. So the laptop is a little delayed.
Right here.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
ASUS. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Okay. And what do we see here?
This is a demo. This is something to attract people, something fun.
We got a tank battle.
One of our engineers in Europe.
And they fight with a giraffe?
Yes, I like to fight with the giraffe. Every time I drive one of these, I always hit the giraffe for some reason. For some reason.
All right.
All of these vehicles will recognize the giraffe and tell you, it's a giraffe. It's image recognition made fun.
Different
something
designs.
To entertain our customer.
And because you have some people working remote, you have some maybe some really talented
the whole
engineers.
company is working remote.
So you might have some really cool engineers who want to work remote and are happy to work in the company.
I want to work remote. Absolutely. I'm in California, companies in Boston. We have around 12 engineers in California, around 150 globally, mostly North America, Canada. One of my best co-workers is in Argentina.
Nice.
I say hi, Lisandro.
And you meet sometimes in real life?
Yes. Now, after COVID really put a monkey wrench on meeting in real, in live, face-to-face. But yes, sometimes we meet. No, it's not easy, but yeah, sometimes.
Maybe you meet directly with the customer.
Oh, I always meet directly.
And you have a couple colleagues. Oh, hey, nice to see you, and then you help to make it real.
Yes,
at the
for
customer.
example, Indian and Polaris, they have an office in Sunnyvale. We also have an office in Sunnyvale, so we used to go in their offices once a week to meet everybody, meet both the customer and the engineers of the customer and my coworker Leon that lives there. So yes,
cool.
We fly all over.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's a cool lifestyle, no?
It is. Yes. Yeah, it is.
It's a different way of managing.
It is. It's the best of both worlds. If you know.
And it's good when you work with open source software. People
Right.
can just
Right,
they can
right.
learn and research themselves
yes.
about improving their skills.
Yes.
And just like impress their colleagues next week. Hey, I know
all of
this.
the technology we use are open source. Then they always come with dual licensing, usually, right? Because our customer don't always want to release their source code, like let's say that. But yeah, the Qt, the Flutter, all of the AI, it's mostly open source, something that you can learn by just getting the documentation and playing with it.
And this is just a small demonstration. There's probably so many cool projects in your company.
Yeah. Yes.
I guess.
Yes. Yeah, we can bring them all here, but yeah, this is a small. Yeah.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.